Okay guys, as we said, we are making salty cookies, which doesn't have too much salt, but it's called salty cookies. So for that we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 egg yolk, and cardamom, a tablespoon, and 1 teaspoonful baking powder, and also milk, and a half cup of oil, and milk as we need it. I will tell you later how much we need the milk. Okay guys, first I'm adding my 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar and salt, and also cardamom, 1 teaspoonful and a little bit more, 1 teaspoonful baking powder, and half teaspoon of yeast. We mix all together to combine all ingredients. Mix it well. Okay guys, it will be a so delicious salty cookies. Alright, now I'm adding the oil. Okay, let me half cup of oil, and mix it very well. Now I'm adding eggs, mix it well. Now I'm adding my, hold on a second, milk. I'm taking half cup of milk. If it's not enough, I will pour some more. Okay. Slowly I'm adding the milk. Okay, now I am knead it with my hand. Okay, need a little bit more milk here. Yeah, it needs half cup of milk. But if it's sticky, you can add a little bit more oil into it and mix it. Yeah. That is good. When you knead it, it will all become kneaded for about 2 minutes. Okay guys, 2 minutes and it will be very good, smooth, until it's smooth. Okay, knead it just like this. Okay guys, almost ready. Okay, here we go. See guys, just do it. And then I'm covering this. I'm letting it for 20 minutes. For 20 minutes, and then it will rise a little, and I will bake it. Okay, then grease your cookie sheet. I put aluminum foil because I was out of the wax paper, so I used the aluminum foil and grease it. I greased it with the oil, and now this is my dough. It looks so great. You see this? Just flat it. This is my way. This is my way. I make it like this. You see guys? Flat it and then roll it. You see? Roll your dough like this, and that way your cookies will come very flaky. See guys? And then right here, it's a small, but later it will grow a little. Okay, flatten. This is special way. It's my way. If you make it like this, then your cookies come flaky. Look at the magic of my salty cookie. Do this, and then roll it like this, and then flatten it, and then roll it like this. You guys see? And then make it like a ball shape, small Jamaican baseball or something. This is all. Yeah, and then put it right here. Yeah, okay. This is one kind. Okay, that was one kind. That's my way, and this is the other way I learned from TV show. Just like this and drop it. Okay, and I make another shape like this. Just I will show you. Wait a minute. It's another kind. Okay, I show you that way, and you can make any shape you like. Any shape you like. Okay, put this in the plate and take another one. Roll it like this, you guys, and then stick it together, and then just twist it like this, like a, see guys, and then ta-da, push the side down there to stick together, and put it right in your cookie sheet. Okay, if you want to make a flower kind, just make a small ball like this, small ball, and then put it next to each other, stick it. Okay, and then stick it together, and then stick it together. See guys, and then a little one goes in the middle. See guys, now I show you what to do. Bring it to the tray. Okay, and wait a sec, I will show you something with my knife, with this kind of small knife. With the back of the knife, just press it down. Press it down. See guys, it's just like a flower. There you go. Just a salty cookies like a flower. Wow, it's gonna be so great. Okay guys, now it's time to reshape our cookies just like this with the back of the knife like this. You see this? Now turn it around that way. See? Then put it back in the tray. Put your finger in the middle of the cookies and push with the back of the knife the side of your cookie, salty cookies. You see guys? Okay guys, I shaped it all. Now it's time for egg wash. It's white egg with some milk. Put the black seed, okay, half teaspoon in the middle and then push it down. If you like it, put half teaspoon, but if you kind of worry about it, so if you have allergy to this black seed, don't add it. But this makes the smell so good. Alright guys, one more here and push it down. Okay guys. Alright, now it's time to go to the oven on the top of the rack. Okay. Okay guys, now my cookies are ready and I'm plating these cookies. Look at guys, this, let me show you this one. So beautiful. Okay. Excuse me, let me plate this. Very flaky. I will show you guys one of them. This is the Afghan. Ta-da. Okay, now let me show you guys how flaky it is. See this? Look. What a delicious, soft cookies. It's very flaky, it's very delicious. Oh gosh, it's awesome. It's really delicious. Unbelievable. You guys make this at home, you'll love it. And you can have it with a cup of sweet milk. You can have it with a sweet milk and it will be delightful. And okay guys, this was my baking day. Subscribe my channel, like it, and also if you comment, I will appreciate that nice comment. So, and also thanks for my viewers who's commenting me. Thank you so much for your nicest comment, and it gave me power to make more baking and cooking for you guys. Yeah. Okay guys, until next time, bye everyone, have a good time, and also was happy eat for everyone.